Auto leveler is a special feature on modernized draw frame which helps us in getting uniform density of sliver output with a capacity of correction in feed material up to plus minus 25%. By adjusting our draw frame auto leveler function, we can achieve best level of short-term and long-term irregularity, means Euster percentage and yarn count CV to the best level.
Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Textile Technos and press bell button to get new video notifications.
Draw frame contributes up to 60% in achieving a good yarn quality. So fine tuning of our draw frame is must if we desire a good yarn quality. In this video, we will see how we can fine tune our draw frame to best possible level, optimizing parameter and draw frame auto leveler. Few things we need to fine tune at auto leveler off position and few things after putting auto leveler on. Very first step is to remove all the sliver material from draw frame. Check tension of all flat belts and timing belts, replace if required. Secondly, perform all the auto leveler electronic test and do the correction if required. Now get the material sliver loaded on draw frame and put draw frame auto leveler off. Check the wrapping and try to adjust the mechanical draft such that you get the sliver count which is near to the required without auto leveler.
Sequence for fine-tuning draw frame with auto leveler on. Check tensions of all flat and timing belts which are engaged with drafting, creel and servo drive. Replace whichever is defective or worn out. Check all auto leveler test and fine-tune wherever required. Set mechanical draft such that the sliver should be output with required hank. Set bottom roll gauge, and I suggest for back zone 2.5% span length plus 12 mm and for front zone 2.5% span length plus 8 mm. Finally, take trial with 3 different brick draft and set the brick draft which gives you the better Euster percentage.
Set bottom roll gauge, for which I would like to recommend back zone 2.5 span length plus 12 mm and front zone 2.5% span length plus 8 mm. Now check the Euster percentage and increase and reduce 1 mm of bottom roll gauge and take trials and check the Euster percentage and freeze the bottom roll gauge which is giving you the best Euster percentage. Now take a trial of brake draft. Set it which gives you the best Euster value. Now you can put on draw frame auto leveler on. Check sliver test with N, N+1 and N-1 feed slivers. The A portion should be below 0.5%.
Sequence for fine-tuning draw frame with auto leveler on. Take sliver test, A% should be below 0.5%. Check spectrogram for creel, scanning roll, drafting and calendar rolls peak. Finally, check Euster with 3 different web drafts and set which gives you the best Euster percentage. Always make habit of checking top rolls for vibration or jumping. Gauge should be even at 3 different points, left hand side, middle and right hand side.
Adjust timing and intensity of leveling action and check Euster. Set the value which gives the best possible Euster value. Now check the spectrogram of final Euster test report. Check the peaks for creel rolls, scanning rolls, drafting rolls and calendar rolls. Attend if the peak is present on these rolls frequency. Check top roll vibrations and also ensure the bottom roller gauge at both the ends. It should be uniform. If it is cross or uneven, then it will give fiber rupture and Euster percentage variation. Now finally take trials for web draft. Fix the web draft which gives you the best Euster percentage. Friends, this is all to get you draw frame perform effectively. We will be back soon. Till then, take care.